Good afternoon and welcome back to Places in Ontario, Canada. We are just at the end of Whitevale Road at this old abandoned house purchased by the government for future land development, etc. It's quite an old house. Authorized vehicles only. This kind of gives you an idea of that van is going east on Whitevale Road. So I don't know how much longer this house is going to be here, but boy oh boy, is there lots of, can I say, vegetation here growing up. I'll try and walk around the house. If it's a little shaky, it's because I'm looking at the ground as I'm walking. It's all boarded up here. Some concrete slabs here for some reason. Well, I'm glad I put my camera on a tripod because there was a broken window here. So I'm going to raise the tripod up, look inside. Folks, I don't know what I'm looking at because I'm way down here. So I'm just sort of tilting the camera, and just like you, I'll have a look at it on the television. I think I can see from far back here, but I'm not going to guess. So, it's actually turning out to be an adventure for me, because I don't even know what I filmed. Oh, well, I know what that was, but I won't film it. But I'll just let you know that it was some animal, let's use the word doo-doo. This is the side of the house all boarded up, but it was a stone foundation. So this home is probably much older than I think it is, because this is aluminum siding here on the house, but the shingles definitely need to be redone. But that's it. I was driving by and I pulled over because I just saw the house. Some broken windows up there. I can see why they boarded up though. It's kind of interesting. The berries here that are drying now because it's November of 2021 and the fall is setting in, but it definitely looks like somebody grew berries here at one time. I don't know what kind of berries they are, but if you know, you could leave it in the comments below. But yeah, the berries are all the way up there. It's an old barn across the road here. An old wooden sign that used to have the name of whoever lived here at one time. Boy, this house is very old. A lady just wove to me. That was nice. Just the road of the cars coming southbound. I guess that was to say, it's okay, I won't hit you. Wow, there's berries everywhere. Looks like something was on the top of the roof at one time. There's some sort of blue fabric tarpaulin that's gone away long ago. But anyway, that's it from this old abandoned house, and older than I thought because of the stone foundation. So, if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, please do. the bottom right corner, right there. So when you log on to YouTube, my newest videos should pop up for you to watch. That's why you subscribe. And like the channel if you wish. So, from the noisy road here, just at the end of Whitevale Road, have a wonderful day, and we hope to see you back at places in Ontario, Canada, real soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.